And we're back, baby. So in this video I'm gonna show you my latest greatest miner. Yeah, buddy, can't be that. Trying to create some passive income, trying to get some, ching ching, all those crypto monies. So this miner, you might guys know it, but if you guys don't know it, is a exit miner. Boom. Hey, see that? Yeah, look at that beauty. So I don't know if you guys know, but this is basically technically creating like cloud storage in your house kind of type of deal. And yeah, honestly, basically that's about it. It's cloud storage that other people are storing on your device, information that they want to store on your device, and you're getting compensated in crypto money. When you transfer that crypto money, becomes some money. So it's some money. Yeah, passive income. That's what I'm saying. Just install it, plug it into your router, and let it do its thing. It's making some money. So I want to show you guys some stats, and I want to show you the coin and which value right now it is, and then after that I'm gonna show you this bad boy right here. I still haven't opened it, just barely got it received, and boy, it's heavy. It is heavy one. Yeah, it's like you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, look at it. Yeah, it is pretty heavy. Yeah, buddy. So right now, if you guys even try to get one, everything it's on a waiting list. So first you guys need to be put on a waiting list. I've got this guy right here for $1,500. Inside of the miner I have four terabytes, so total of 16 terabytes. This expensive bad boy, well, this one have 16 terabytes of total of 64 terabytes. Right now I am like, and all of those are replaceable. I don't know how they can be upgraded. We're gonna have to see in the future if we can be able to do that. I'm pretty sure we can, because if one of those hard drives go bad, you're supposed to put a new one. So yeah, we're gonna have to see how that's gonna work, because my theory is basically for right now I can instead of investing more money than these ones right here, just use this one, just the 16 terabytes for right now, and see how much storage I'm gonna get, how much coins I'm gonna get, how much money I'm gonna make. You guys need to stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and to like, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. So if you guys want to see the future of this miner, if I'm gonna be able to make some money, am I gonna be able to create a passive income, and once again I'm doing this to show you guys that a stupid person like me, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just seeing this project here in this coin, they're saying buy this, you're gonna make this amount of money. Well, I'm stupid and dumb, so I'm trying to see if I'm gonna be able to make some money the way how they're saying it. So if you guys want to see if I'm gonna be able to create a passive income from all my projects, I have my Bobcat, I have this guy here, I have the M2 Pro miner, I think that's it. No, I think I got a sense cap as well. Yeah, well, you guys basically need to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button if you guys want to see videos like this, and don't forget, if I can do it, you guys can do it. But at the same time, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. All of my videos are not financial advice or any of that. I'm just doing it for entertainment purposes. If on the end of the day, if I be able to do some passive income, yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. If not, then you guys can see and basically you guys gonna watch me just burn my money, because yeah, 1,500 bucks, it's a 1,500 bucks. It's not cheap, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, other than that, so let me show you one more thing. If you guys go to coin market, you guys can see right now SC Prime, this is the coin that we're gonna mine. The XM miner is the name of the miner right here. So SC Prime is the coin, like I said, that we're mining. A couple months ago it was like $1. Looks like it went down like everything else in the world. Honestly, yeah, it was like, when I was looking at it, it was somewhere around here probably, because it was $1. But you know, I mean, it looks like it's a downtrend, but everything right now is down, which is good for investment. If you guys know Warren Buffett's strategy kind of type of deal, when people are running out of the project, people, you know, go in and buy, and then, you know, when people start, you know, running towards the project and investing, then whatever you guys invest before that, just sell it on the top, and you know, and get your profit. So right now everything is down, and I'm thinking, since everything is down, it's, you know, best time to invest. So I know right now it's down, and like I said, right now it's the SC Prime coin, it's 67 cents, which is it's okay. All-time high looks like it was like $3, like right here. You guys can see this big spike, so it looks like that was like $3. Yeah, in the beginning looks like it was like every other coin, like Dogecoin, or you know, and then it went slowly rising, and then yeah, imagine, you know, if you guys put like $1,000 right here, yeah, sell it on 3, oh man, millionaire. So since we didn't do that, you know, we gonna put our money into the miner so we can slowly create all of that money. Okay, so like I said, right now 67. Let's see what we have here. This is a calculator. If you guys want to calculate and see how much coins you guys gonna make, you guys can see I put my total storage 16 terabytes. This is 4 terabytes, you know, of used storage. Right here it gives you an estimate of 20 rent, incentives for 20, and then this is telling you that monthly you're gonna make 440 coins, which, you know, it's pretty good. Yeah, pretty good, I think. I don't know, like I said, when I was looking at it, the coin was $1, so this 440 basically turns to a $440, you know. So yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Let's see if we do a calculator. So this is the network. Shows you how many miners. You know, right now we have, looks like a 3,667, 63 passive, whatever that means. 243 offline, available 50, I think it's a petabyte, and right now there is usage of 729 terabyte. So yeah, and then this is a scale that, you know, basically shows you how the usage, you know, goes up and down. Right now I kind of got them where you guys can see I got them I sort them where this is the top miner that's being used, looks like it. So this top miner right now, if we click on it, there you go, gives you all the information. 100% was online, incentive it's full, you know, blah blah blah. Maximum duration 16 weeks, so it looks like this miner was on for half a year. And the most important thing is this guy right here and this guy right here. Looks like this is total capacity of looks like 40 terabytes, and right now only 4 terabytes are being used from the miner. So with 4 terabytes, you guys can see currently he's having 166 coins. For the last month, right here, he made 473 coins. Then on the bottom, it's storage price. You guys can see it's 5 coins per terabyte, looks like it, per terabyte or something like that, because yeah, that still doesn't make sense. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Collateral, we have 6. Maximum collateral, we have 200. Download bandwidth, it's 1, and then upload bandwidth, it's another 1. I mean, all that is a coin, not a dollar. So yeah, so for example, if if I get 4 terabytes, like this guy here from my 16 being used, and let's say I made the same amount like this guy, so he made 473 coins. So if we do 473 coins, we're gonna multiply that, let's see, to 67 cents. So 0.67, that basically is $316 for a month from 4 terabytes. If we get, let's say if we get the entire 16 terabytes, and basically 4 terabytes by 4, that is 16. So the idea is, if we multiply this number by 4, okay, now boom, it looks like 1267. So if you guys see that, basically if you get your entire 16 terabytes used, you're gonna make a monthly amount of $1,267, almost like $1,300 a month, and your device was only $1,500. And yeah, so basically after a month you guys can make your money back, if that happened. That's once again, this is just a theory, because you guys can see all of those people here, this is all miners, all of it. You guys can keep scrolling down and you guys can see it's going smaller and smaller. I don't know what's the theory and who, what, where, and who's deciding who's gonna get what, but for right now, this is it. So okay, let's stop rumbo mumbo dumbo and let's open it up and let's see what we have in the box. Say hi, Nikki. Okay guys, it's my son Nikolai. He's gonna help us to unbox it, I hope. So let's see what we have in the box. What do we have in the box? That pretty good packaging. Whoa, that is a massive brick. Oh wow, look at that. 12 volts, 18 amps. That is a pretty, big boy. Let's see, we have a cable, yep. So we have the cable right here. Nikki. Woo! Be careful. So right here. Okay. Okay, we're back. So, cable. This is a power bank. Let's get it open. See what we have. Then this is the cable that goes right here. And boom, there you go. So this is the power source. Now this is the bad boy. And it's so heavy that it's really not easy to pull it out from the box. Have a big fan in the back. It's a pretty big one. Then I don't know why I have this tape right here. Just in case maybe. So boom. So let's see what type of a hard disk these guys are using. So I think do it like that and then pull it out. And yeah, looks like they're using this type of a hard drive, and this honestly I believe is the cheapest. But I mean right now with the shortage, yeah, you know, as long as it's doing the work, you know, probably nobody cares. This one, it's an Iron Wolf NAS. So yeah, it looks like a pretty normal hard drive. So yeah, buddy. Okay, pretty sure that all of them are the same. Let's see. Okay. And the last one, same one. Just in case, you know, you never know. Okay. 2 USBs in the front, power button, AC prime, yeah. Then in the back, I mean on the side we have vents, shiny strip looks like it, yep, vent on the side as well. In the back more USBs, your internet connection, you have a connection for microphone looks like it, I don't know why, but yeah. I believe these two ports are for display. And actually it does say there is two more right here for display as well, another one for display, and yeah, and then this is where the power connection is gonna go, right here. Boom. That, yay! Okay, so that's about it guys for this video. The next video I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna set it up. I hope I can do that. Cross my fingers. So yeah, thanks so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.